Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best headscarf for braids. The 2PC's hair bonnets for women Satin by Wbfwbb. If you have long hair, braids, dreadlocks, or natural curls, this satin bonnet might just be your new nighttime essential. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the premium silky smooth satin fabric. Unlike other cheap bonnets that can feel rough or cause discomfort, this one offers a lightweight, soft texture that's gentle on your skin and hair. It's designed to reduce friction, which means less breakage and frizz, and it helps maintain moisture in your hair while you sleep. This makes it especially ideal for protecting braids, weaves, and natural hairstyles overnight. One of the standout features of these bonnets is the generous size. Each bonnet measures about 27 inches in length, making them spacious enough to comfortably accommodate thick, long hair without feeling tight or restrictive. The elastic band is soft and elastic enough to stay snug on your head without causing headaches or slipping off during the night, even if you toss and turn. The set includes two bonnets, one in classic black and the other in a stylish black leopard print. This gives you a nice variety to match your mood or pajamas, and both colors are versatile enough to complement a range of outfits and personal styles. The design is simple but functional, prioritizing comfort and durability. What's great about these bonnets is their versatility. They're not just for sleeping. You can use them while washing your face, doing your makeup, or even when doing house chores to keep your hair protected. They are also suitable for those undergoing chemo treatments, offering gentle protection for sensitive scalps. In terms of care, the bonnets hold up well with regular washing. The fabric retains its softness and elasticity over time, so you're getting durable quality that lasts beyond just a few uses. If you struggle with maintaining your braids or long hairstyles overnight, this satin bonnet is designed to be a perfect fit for your needs. It prevents hair from getting tangled, keeps styles intact, and reduces the risk of damage caused by rough pillowcases. Overall, the Wbfwbb 2PC's satin hair bonnets offer a comfortable, stylish, and practical solution to protect your hair. Whether you're looking for a bonnet to keep your braids neat or just want to reduce hair breakage and dryness, this product fits the bill as the best headscarf for braids. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in giving your hair the care it deserves overnight, check out this satin bonnet set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights.